Welcome. This is AI governance for Agentic Enterprises. A new kind of software has started to act inside real organizations, not just answering questions, but doing the work, pulling records, scoring transactions, releasing payments, drafting replies to customers and regulators. These are agentic systems. Software that does not only respond, but plans steps, uses tools, draws on what it remembers, and acts toward a goal. When software begins to act, the first thing that has to change is not the technology, it is governance. This course sits where AI governance, enterprise risk, institutional accountability, and operating control meet. If you are wondering how to govern AI systems once they begin to act, this course is built for you. It is about how an institution lets these systems act and stays accountable for what they do, able to explain it, control it, and answer for it. That is what we will call keeping the answer. I am Srini. I have spent more than 2 decades in enterprise technology, telecom, and banking, much of it in regulated cross-border payments across many countries. I have led large transformations, and I have sat on the side that answers to auditors and regulators when something goes wrong. I have also built with the systems directly hands-on. So this course talks about governance the way it actually lands on an operating floor, not the way it reads in a policy document. Most organizations are still governing agentic systems with machinery built for software that waited to be told what to do, repeated itself, and pointed back to a person. That machinery does not break loudly when you turn it on a system that acts on its own. It passes the review and misses the risk. That is the gap this course closes. This is not a survey of the technology, and it is not a compliance checklist. It is the practical discipline of governing systems that act, how to bound them, how to assure them, who answers for them, and how to keep control while they run. If you lead a business, a risk or audit function, compliance, operations, transformation, or a governance team, this course is for you. You do not need to write code to follow it. Every idea is shown through real operating decisions, not theory. Throughout, we follow one running example, a fictional bank, so the ideas stay concrete, and each part comes with a short downloadable tool you can take into your own organization. Let us begin with what you will be able to do by the end and how the course is laid out. That is next.